Right, so this is the distributor out of my Barracuda. For some reason, the vacuum advances keep going in it the first time I drive it. So I'm guessing that they must have been old stock or something, because the only thing that's in the vacuum advance is a diaphragm with a spring on it. And the only way for it to break is if the diaphragm is brittle and gets a crack in it. There's no way the vacuum of the engine can break the diaphragm. So I had 3 faulty ones in a row. So I just ordered this vacuum advance from Summit for a whopping $47. And I've just installed it. Very easy to install. This ring here, you know, you pull off the little rotor cap, that just pops off, and then you lever this up with some screwdrivers, it just comes out, and you can just ease up that plate a little bit, wiggle, after taking these screws out, wiggle the vacuum assembly out, which was that one. Wiggle the new one in, and I'm just about to install it in the car. And if some of you aren't familiar with how to change a distributor and not have to do all your timing, well, you should always recheck your timing, but to basically get it pretty damn close, you mark the base of the distributor, which you can see a little black mark down there on the manifold and the distributor, so I can see where to put it back in. Looking directly down on it, it lines up. And then I've marked this rotor with this mark here, so it's a little bit off, but I know when I stick it in that that's got to be basically pointing at that, and the distributor's got to be in that position. And if all goes according to plan, which it will start straight up, and then I can fine-tune my timing with my timing light. Actually, if I, yeah, so you can see, I think you can see, let me see where the marks are there. I marked it. Yeah, so you can see the black mark down there, the line. So I'm just going to, when I take this distributor out, I'm going to put it next to the other one and mark it in exactly the same place and slot it in. Alright. Got to do some exhaust hangers on my 55 Chevy tonight. I lowered my fuel pump and noticed my exhaust hanger was broken. So I bought some of these, which I think are generally the best for being very strong. Anyway, I'll speak to you guys soon. Hope you're all doing good. Speak to you later.